Hello, good evening everybody. Today we are here, Burjman. This is Burjman, Dubai, shopping center, business center. We are starting our journey today from Burjman. All is this Burjman shopping center and Burjman Towers. So here we are at the signal crossing. This street is going towards Khalid bin Walid Street and Bardubai, Al Ghubaiba, and this side is Ud Mehta, and this road is coming from Al Sif, a tourist area, and it's going towards World Trade Center and Dubai Mall areas, Sheikh Zayed Road. So this is Burjman Tower. You can see the Burjman Tower. This is Burjman Tower, and all is this Burjman shopping mall, Burjman Mall, and these are the entry and exits of Dubai Metro, Burjman Metro Station. On all four sides of the road there are one is there, total four. Total there are 4 exit and entry points of Burjman Metro Station. So we are moving towards Al Sif now. Al Sif is a business and tourist area on Dubai Creek, Bardubai side. Opposite is Dera, but we are on the Bardubai side. You can see here Bardubai, this way Bardubai, and this is Khalid bin Al Walid Street. This road is Khalid bin Al Walid Street, is going towards Bardubai and Al Ghubaiba. This is very busy signal crossing of Burjman. Very busy junction for traffic and the public. This is exit 4 for the metro, Burjman Metro Station. This is interchange station for green line and red line. There are 2 interchange stations, one in Dera, which is Union, and one in Bardubai, which is Burjman. So this street is going towards Al Sif, a tourist area on Dubai Creek. Here you can see some outdoor market, because weather is still very good, very nice here in Dubai. But coming months will be hotter. So the weather is now okay. That's why outdoor activities, business activities, and tourism is possible. Very nice, pleasant weather these days. There is a signboard, advertising signboard here. Different. There is UAE flag also. You can see here UAE flag on this digital signage, digital signboard. This traffic is coming from Al Sif area, and it's going towards Trade Center and Dubai Mall side. Zabil International Institute. There are different business centers and offices of companies in this area. This is the business hub for Bardubai. Residential units and business offices on both sides of this very busy and very important road. The weather is very good. The wind, cool wind. You can feel the breeze, cool breeze. Today is April 3rd of April 2026. There are different markets and shopping centers plus residential units. This is the open parking area. There is Lulu hypermarket here. Meteor. I forgot to show you the road name. You can see the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Road. This is Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Road, and it's going towards World Trade Center, Dubai Mall area, Sheikh Zayed Road, and it's starting from Al Sif. Al Sif is a tourist and beautiful for the travel and tourism. People coming from all over the world, they're visiting Al Sif. It is the modern development with marina, walking areas, and leisure activities. Lulu hypermarket here. There is a Dream Night hypermarket. Very big shopping center here. And this is Meteor Hospital, 24/7 open, a private health facility. Meteor Hospital here. And there is the West Zone Market, supermarket. This is Dream Night, open 24 hours. Very big shopping area, Dream Night. So if you want shopping anytime in the 24 hours, you can come here. It's just a walking distance from Burjman signal crossing. There is Burjman signal crossing, and just walking distance from there to Dream Night shopping center. It's open 24 hours. See, open 24 hours. So anytime you can come and enjoy the shopping. Very huge shopping mall. Inside is huge. We'll make some special video for this later on. But this is huge. On the other side, you can see the residential units, commercial activities, offices, markets on the ground floor. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Road. We just start our journey from the signal of Burjman towards Al Sif area. This area is also very important because there are different countries consulate offices also here, embassy, consulates, services, visa services, all behind this area is used for the different countries consulates, embassy services. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Road. Here you can see it says Hamria and Bardubai. This way, Hamria and Bardubai. This is the second signal. After Burjman, there you can see the Burjman. Just walking a distance, there is Burjman, and there is the second signal after Burjman. Different countries, consulates and embassy services all in this area. Because this is near Burjuman, and for public transport, Dubai is the best in the world. The bus network, the metro network is very fast. And amazing. 24-hour public transport available here in Dubai, 24 hours. Dubai always keeps moving. There is no stop in public mobility. Public mobility and public welfare is always the number one priority of Dubai. We want to see some United States of America consulate there. You can see there the consulate. So all this area is for consulates. That is the signage for United States of America consulate. So almost all the countries' consulate services are here. We are now at the last signal crossing of this road, and this is a very important road. Will end here. You can see here the signage of Souk Al Sif. This is Souk Al Sif area. Exactly here, the street of Sheikh Zayed Khalifa bin Zayed ends or starts, and that is the American consulate services here. And this is the open area, walking area, resting area for the public here, and it's facing Dubai Creek on Bardubai side. This side is the modern development, hotels, offices. On the other side you can see the Dera side. These are the skylines of Dera. This is Emirates Anbari and Dubai Chamber. So this is the marine station. All is this Al Seef area. Today we will close our live here, and Al Seef area will explore next time. Please follow, like, share our channel for more informative videos. Soon we are going to surprise the community